That's not going anywhere. If you don't do that, it'll for sure fall off. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ralph's Garage. We're out of the garage today. I'm with my dad, Pete. Say hi. We're picking up a new bed for his F-150. And I'm not sure how this is going to go, but we're going to try and put a full-size truck bed on top of a full-size truck bed. We got some tires, some ratchet straps. We're just waiting for the salvage place to bring the new truck bed out for us. What is this? AA Auto Salvage in New Jersey somewhere. Where are we at? Williamstown, New Jersey. So let me show you why we need a new bed. Somebody backed into my dad's truck. That would be why.
It pissed me off.
Oh yeah. Pissed him off. You don't want to see him when he's angry. So we'll see how we're going to make this fit. And the new bed that you have is a dual tank bed, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the new bed is dual tank. And he got the tank with the bed. So we're going to have a gas tank here and then another one here. What is that, like 20 gallons or something like that?
It's either 18 or 17.
18 or 17. So here's the bed. There goes the bed. All right.
That ain't gonna fit inside there.
What if we put the tires up here?
What's going on right here?
Yeah.
I can set it right on top and you guys strap it to the truck.
That's what we were figuring, put the tires up here.
It'll fit on there like that.
Yeah.
But the problem's gonna be is that the toolbox is gonna mess the corners up.
You got about a foot and a half. 1 foot, half a foot. That's probably it right there. Okay. All right, so that was pretty crazy. We're gonna strap this thing down now. We'll see how this goes, Dad. I thought it was more straight than this. Like, this piece is a little jacked up. Yeah, you gonna bang that straight?
Yeah. Listen, that's the main part is this.
Yeah.
There's no rust. No, I mean there's no rust.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. All right.
I mean there's no rust on this. This could all be worked out a little bit, and it's out here. It could be worked out.
Yeah.
On the truck.
Yeah, true. It's right there, right? And it's the same length bed?
Yeah. 8-foot bed.
Your taillights and everything. I mean, I guess it's all the same, huh?
Yeah.
A little bit of dentage right here. I guess you can work that out, right? You're gonna have to like bang it down and bang it out at the same time.
This doesn't look.
That is true. It doesn't look like that.
You know what I'm saying?
It's kind of the same thing here. This side's good though, up here.
And
you get a free taillight.
Yeah.
One free taillight.
See, there's
solid.
no rust.
Solid.
And it hasn't been fixed. So you can feel it's all
all.
It's
Yeah,
not.
that's true.
It's not bonded.
All right, well, let's strap this thing down.
Oh, and here's a hook.
One.
One over there.
We can get to the one right here. All right, we're gonna strap it down, and I'll show it to you after we get it strapped. We think we're good. We got, what do we use? 5 straps? Something like that. So we got these straps pulling it back. These straps go around the back side, pushing it forward. And then we got one strap goes all the way over the top, holding it down. And then the ones in the front are also holding it down and forward. So don't try this at home, because it's probably not the right way to do it. And then the fuel tank's up in the top bed. Did you want to pull it out and put it in the truck bed? Or you think it's okay?
It ain't gotta go.
If you jam on the brakes, we're gonna eat it in the back of the head. That's what I worry about. Let's pull it out. We'll put it in the lower bed.
How you gonna do that?
I'm gonna climb up there. Oh, we can't lower the. All right, then it's fine. Then we're not worried about it.
It has to be fine.
If we eat it, we eat it.
Eat it.
All right. Okay.
I'll just open the window and let the train go through.
Yeah, just duck. It'll be fine. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna drive this beast home. There she is. We're on our way. The bed's strapped on there, and we're heading out. We'll see if we make it all the way home without it ending up in the roadway or something.
Yeah, right?
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not, 'cause that bed's in good shape.
It's, you don't find a old F-150 bed like that that's not rotted out. At least not up here in Jersey. Okay, well, if it falls off the back of the truck, that's the next thing you'll see. If it makes it all the way back to my dad's house, then you'll see us trying to figure out how we're going to unload this thing.
It's still ready.
So we forgot to do something. I got to do it real quick. That's not going anywhere. If you don't do that, it'll for sure fall off. Little update. We still have a bed behind us.
Be on top of us.
Behind and on top of us. And we're trucking along. 40 miles an hour here. But yeah, it's funny seeing people tailgate us through the crack here. Like, just asking for the bed to fall on. What are we, about halfway home, you think?
About that.
Yeah, so we're halfway. It hasn't moved a bit yet. I think we're gonna be okay. I think we're gonna make it.
Don't jinx us now.
But I'm not trying to jinx us. But I did jump out at the stoplight and smack it and say I ain't gonna go anywhere, because we forgot to do that. If you don't do that, it'll definitely fail. So if you're strapping something down, make sure that you always give it a good whack. And you have to say, I ain't going nowhere. Right, Dad?
Right.
We've successfully made it off the highway. We still have a bed on the back of the truck, so that's good. Yeah, we're almost through my dad's house now, and we're just trying to figure out how we're gonna unload this thing, because neither one of us has really any idea how this is gonna go. Just tie it to a light pole and drive away.
Yeah, right.
Put some tires down and try and catch it with the tires.
Ouch.
Then we'll be going to get another bed. Good job, Dad.
We got it. We got it.
So right now we're trying to figure out if we're going to unload it today. It's just me and my dad. Hopefully we can get some help, but it's not looking good so far, so maybe we'll unload it another day. But we made it. Anyway, if we get it unloaded today, you'll see that. If not, you probably won't see it. But anyway, I thought it was interesting, so I'll see you next time. It's a couple hours later. The bed's unloaded, and I'm borrowing my dad's welder to make the transmission mount for the BMW. But yeah, we just had 4 guys come by and you know, a dude on each corner, and just lifted it up, took it off there. Wasn't too big of a deal. It's pretty heavy, but success. It didn't fall off. It didn't fall off, and everybody was safe, so it worked out. But I thought it was pretty interesting, so wanted to kind of share that with you guys. So until next time, see ya.